Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. Hope you're all doing good. So let us start today's session. In this session we are going to discuss about mailbox in SystemVerilog. So what is a mailbox? A mailbox in SystemVerilog is a communication mechanism used in verification environments for data transfer between parallel process or components. So let's say we have two components. Let's say one is driver and another is monitor. Okay, so driver is driving the data to the DUT, whereas we have DUT, that is design under test here. Let's say driver is driving some data to this DUT and monitor is constantly monitoring the data which is being given by the DUT. So these two parallel processes is happening, and if anything the driver and the monitor wants to communicate, okay, then we in that particular case we are going to use that particular mailbox. So a mailbox in SystemVerilog is a communication mechanism used for data transfer, and it provides thread safe synchronized way to send and receive the messages or data between different parts of the design or test bench. The key features of mailbox are synchronization. Mailbox operations put and get are synchronized, meaning that these processes will wait if the mailbox is empty for get or full for put with a bounded mailbox. So there are two type of mailboxes actually. One is bounded mailbox and another is unbounded mailbox. Okay, so there are two type of mailboxes. One is bounded mailbox and another is unbounded mailbox, where bounded mailbox have a particular size, a fixed size, whereas unbounded mailbox will not have any fixed size. Okay, so these mailboxes are synchronized, and that means if the mailbox is empty or full for put with a unbounded mailbox, okay, the process will be waiting if the mailbox will be empty. And mailbox can be parameterized, that is a specific type of data can be sent through the mailbox. Okay, so if we want to send only a specific type of data, like let's say if we want to send only int data type using this mailbox, okay, so we can parameterize the particular mailbox and we can only send that particular type of data, okay, including objects, integers or other data structures. And coming to mailbox methods, we have the method which is called as new, which will create the mailbox instance. Where here the new keyword is used to create the mailbox instance. The syntax is mailbox. This is a keyword which is used to create a mailbox, and mbox is the name of the mailbox followed by the keyword new. So here the instance of this particular mailbox will be created, and here the mailbox created is an unbounded mailbox. Okay, so we can create a bounded mailbox by specifying the number. Okay, so 5 will hold the only 5 elements, so this is a bounded mailbox, whereas this one is an unbounded mailbox. Okay, so in the case of unbounded mailbox we are not specifying how many elements it should store, whereas in the case of bounded mailbox we are specifying how many variables it should store. Okay, next is put method. Okay, so if we want to insert any elements into the mailbox, mailbox is similar to the queue. Okay, mailbox is similar to the queue. Okay, so if we want to insert any elements into the mailbox, we will use this method which is called as put. Here you can see mailbox dot put of data. Okay, so this is how we are going to put any data into the mailbox. So if the mailbox is full for a bounded mailbox, that is, in the case of bounded mailbox, if the mailbox is full, the calling process will wait until the space is available. So if this particular mailbox is full, then the put method will wait until the space is available. This is for the case of only bounded mailbox. This is not for unbounded mailbox. And if we want to retrieve any data from this mailbox, we will use the method get. Okay, mailbox handle name, let's say mbx dot get. This is the handle name. Okay, this is the handle name dot get. So this is how we are going to retrieve the data out of the mailbox. Okay, and if the mailbox is empty, the calling process will wait until the data is available. So we will use this mbx dot get of data. So this put and get are blocking actually. because these methods are waiting. Here the put method will wait until the mailbox get empty, and here get method will wait until the mailbox has at least one element. Whereas here try underscore put and try underscore get are actually non-blocking, because it tries to place the data into the mailbox without blocking. Okay, it will return 1 if successful, 0 otherwise. Okay, here try underscore put will try to put the data. If the mailbox is full, then it will just simply give 0. Okay, and if it is successful, it will return 1. Okay, you can use this particular try underscore put within a if loop. Okay, you can check if mbox dot try underscore put of data. So if this is successful, it will return 1, or else it will return 0. And try underscore get is similar to the get method which is present in the mailbox. You can use it. If it is successful, it will return 1, else it will return 0. And we have one more method which is called as peek. So it will read the next element in the mailbox without removing it. Whereas dot get method will remove the data from the mailbox, whereas peek method will not remove the data, just it will read the next element which is present in the mailbox without removing it. And the syntax for peek is mbox, that is handle name dot peek of data. Okay, so this is how we are going to read the next element in the mailbox without removing it. So this is the syntax for unbounded mailbox, where we are not specifying any number of elements, whereas this is a syntax for bounded mailbox, where specifying the number of elements which should be present in the mailbox. And we can also parameterize our mailbox. In this particular example, this particular mailbox an s underscore mbox can contain only one type of data, which is called as string. Okay, so this mailbox can contain only string data types. Okay, so this is how we can parameterize our mailbox using the parameterized mailbox. Okay, so this is about today's session. So in this particular session, we have started with the introduction of mailbox, and we have seen why mailbox is used, and how the mailbox, what are all the methods which are present in the mailbox. Okay, and in next session we are going to see the practical coding examples of mailbox. We will see how a driver and a monitor are communicating with each other, and how they are sending and receiving the transactions with each other, or communicating with each other using the mailbox. Okay, and how to use this mailbox, everything we are going to see with the help of coding in our next session. Okay, so yeah, so that's all for this session. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel all about VLSI. Thank you for watching this.